She's probably still in orbit.
Sophie.
It's your hair,
Sophie. Sophie. Sophie.
You guys go to a show?
Sophie.
Well, yeah,
You have to learn your name.
Is a new, basically a new rider. She's ridden, but not seriously, and she's flighty anyways.
Is it nice and cool under there?
Right. And then I got her on a thoroughbred horse, so the horse she can make.
That's
her
a bad boy.
And the two of
He's a
them
bad
are
boy. You're the bad boy, huh?
Yeah.
Are you the
Yeah,
junkyard
none
dog?
of those horses, every girlfriend I went
Junkyard dog?
my mother would be like, oh, you can come ride horses.
Hi.
No.
No,
Oh,
Ma.
you want to fight?
No.
You want to fight?
None of my mother's horses, unless you were a good rider, you can ride any.
Couldn't ride.
Look at your bum. I will bite it. Oh, I will bite it.